The Sony latest entry with mid-range series, the Sony Xperia 10 market, and now we are unboxing today. Smartphone thickness is 8.3 mm and 168 gram weight. Chipset is Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 4nm with 2.4 GHz Octa-Core CPU and GPU of Adreno 710. Display is OLED with 6.1 inches screen size, 10,008 by 2340 pixel resolution with 120 Hz refresh rate. Sony Xperia 10 Mark 8 camera has a dual camera setup with 50 megapixel main camera and 13 megapixel ultra wide angle, and front camera will be 8 megapixel. RAM will be 8 GB and internal memory will be 120 GB with microSD card. There will be side mounted fingerprint reader. Sony Xperia 10 Mark 8 battery will be 5000 mAh with fast charging support. There will be IP65, IP68 dust and water resistant. It runs with Android 16 operating system with up to 4 major OS updates. The price is about $699 US. That's all for now. Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.